Please tell me about yourself.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. My name is Y. Shivavara Prasad, and I'm from Vijayanagaram, Andhra Pradesh. And coming to my academic background, I have completed my MBA in the stream of finance from Maharaja College, Vijayanagaram, and I have completed my BCom in Forest Degree College from Vijayanagaram. And coming to my work experience, I have I have nearly 2 years of work experience. After my post graduation, I have joined as an associate analyst in global data, and I worked in the team of insurance. So my part of work deals with collection of data related to any regulatory requirement changes related to insurance company. And after working there for an year, I joined FactSet as an associate analyst, as a research analyst in FactSet. So here my part of work is data collection of companies. So I need to collect the data, financial data from the financial statements. So that's all about my work experience. And coming to my achievements, I have received AP State Pratibha Award during my intermediate for securing highest level of marks. And coming to my projects and internships, I have done a project in my MBA on non-performing assets with reference to SBI. And I have also done an internship in SBI for 45 days with regards to management of credit card sales. And coming to my personal profile, my father name is Ramdas. He is a contractor, and my mother name is Aruna. She is working as assistant engineer in housing department, and we are two siblings. And my hobbies are watching to movies, listening to music. That's all about myself.
Very good. Your English is good. You are able to talk nicely. You did MBA
Yeah,
in which
thank
subject?
finance. Sir.
You should mention that. I did MBA in
Yeah,
finance.
yeah, I mentioned it, sir, in the stream of
You
finance.
mentioned
Yeah,
you mentioned it. Acha, acha. Good, good.
yes,
Very nice. So mm, there will be questions on your work experience in State Bank of India credit card. Please explain
yes,
about that in 1 minute.
yes, sir. So when we went for a project on NPS, they offered us the internship on credit card sales. So what we need to do is they will send us to all the branches in Vijayanagaram for each day. So we need to assist them in credit card sales. We will be provided with a list of the account holders with a good CIBIL rating. So good CIBIL score who have good credit history. So we need to make calls to them and we need to explain them that they are eligible for the credit cards, and if they are interested, then we will take their time and we will need to explain the benefits of credit cards. And according to their needs and what type of card they are expecting, we can offer the specific type of card to the customers. So if they are okay with that, we will invite them to the branch, or we may personally visit them, and we need to collect the data from them, like their Aadhaar card or like their Aadhaar card and other information. We need to take the information from the customers and we will offer credit cards, sir, according to their needs.
How many cards were you able to sell?
Sir, as it was my first time, I need to assist them in only of 8 to 10 cards. Yeah, my individually.
So you could sell 8 to 10 cards.
Yes, sir. In throughout the 45 days.
Acha, acha. Good. Now, imagine I am a customer whose name you have found in that list, and you are
Okay.
talking to me. Will you talk
Yes,
in
sir.
English or Telugu?
If he is from the my same hometown, he is comfortable in Telugu, so I will talk to him in Telugu only, sir.
Acha. Now you are appearing for Federal Bank interview.
Yes, sir.
Please talk to me in English. Imagine I am a person whose name you have found in the list.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Hi, sir. Good
Dring,
afternoon. My
dring, dring, dring. Hello? Who is speaking?
hello, sir. Hello, sir. Good day, sir. Am I speaking to Mr. Sambasivan?
Yes, please.
Sir, I'm calling. Actually, my name is Shiva Prasad, and I'm calling from Federal Bank, sir. Can I have 2 minutes of your time, sir?
Yes, please. What do you want?
Sir, actually, we are offering the credit card facility to all our eligible customers who have a good relationship with our bank and who is maintaining good credit balance, sir. So we found that you are eligible for a credit card facility. So if you give us time, I can explain the benefits of it to you, sir.
How did you come to know I am eligible for it?
We have the credit score report of your credit report, sir, so that we know that you are a trustworthy client of our bank. So we are offering you the credit card facility, sir. Do you have a credit card, sir?
No, no, I'm not having any credit card.
Good, sir. You can have one, sir. I can explain the uses if you are interested in, sir.
Please tell. No, no, but this, while talking, you should tell. I am telling you the uses of our credit card. You should not ask him. If you are interested, I am going to talk, means he will say, I am not interested.
Okay, sir.
So instead, you
Yeah.
should try to explain about the plus points. Tell me about your credit card.
Yes, sir. So according to euros, we will offer you the cards based on your what type of expenses you will be engaged in, sir. For suppose if you have watched more movies, then we will offer you card which have the offers on movies. So if you are a frequent traveler, if you want to travel more places, so we will offer you card based on the which are offers on travel. So like that, we have credit cards on specific purpose, sir. As you didn't use credit card till date, I will explain you the offers of the benefits of having a credit card, sir. So nowadays, if you the main benefit of having credit card is you can use it at once and you can pay it later. And also, even if you don't have cash, you can use this credit card as a source of payment. As we know that many corporate employees and many families, many individuals are using credit cards to for their day-to-day expenses and daily expenses. Like as ATM card, credit card also become a daily using card for all the individuals. So if you have one, it will be useful for you, and you can avail many benefits based on your expenses, sir. Like this, if you go to a petrol bunk and if you use this credit card, you will get a certain amount discount as specified in the card. So there are many benefits like for using a credit card, sir.
Okay, not bad. No problem. Good. So your degree is
Yes, sir.
MBA Finance.
Yes, sir.
Please tell me what is trading and profit and loss account.
Yes, sir. Trading and profit and loss account overall it is called as income statement. So it is also one of the financial statement of the company which explains us about the profitability of the company. So whether coming to the trading, it shows us only the incomes or expenses related to the trade, whereas profit and loss account shows us the expenses and incomes related to the income. So we will get by designing the trading and profit and loss account, we can know about whether a company earned profit or loss through its activities for a certain period.
Hmm,
Yes, sir.
good. Um, but you did not mention anything about trading account, means it will include the opening
Yeah,
balance,
if I need to
opening
go in
stocks,
detail, yeah,
then
yeah, yeah,
purchases,
sir. If I,
sales. Why did you not mention about all that
yeah, sir, I know
properly?
about it. I will.
You should
Okay,
have
sir.
told
In
me.
detail, I
You
will
should have
explain
told
that.
me clearly about it. Similarly, in
Yeah.
the profit and loss account, other expenses like say rent, bank interest, then labor charges, etc., will all come here. So, and then final tax, income tax, and also finally net profit will be arrived. Something like that you should
Sure,
tell. Please tell me what
sure,
is
sir.
balance sheet.
A balance sheet is one of the financial statements of a company. So by using the balance sheet, we can know about the true and fair position of the company, financial position of a company. So the investors or the creditors who are associated with the company can use the balance sheet to know the what is the position of the company by checking the balance sheet of the company. It provides a snapshot of the financial position of the company, and also it presents the assets, liabilities, and shareholders' equity mainly. So in assets also it will produce all the current assets and non-current assets, liabilities and non-current liabilities and current liabilities. And coming to the equity, it shows us what is the shareholders' equity at the present. It follows on the fundamental equation that assets is equals to liabilities plus shareholders' equity. So by using a balance sheet, we can know the true and fair position of a business. And also by using balance sheet, we can find the various ratios like a quick ratio, current ratio, and also many ratios like debt ratio, everything. So we can know about the financial position of a company through using the balance sheet.
Hmm. What are intangible assets?
The assets which do not have a physical existence but it has a significant value are known as intangible assets. For example, we have patents and copyrights. They do not have any physical existence. That means we cannot see or touch them, but there is a significant value. They carry a significant value to the business. So these are the intangible assets, sir.
But why did you not mention about the name of intangible
Yeah, the
assets?
patents, copyrights, all this comes under intangible assets.
Hmm.
Trademarks.
What is depreciation?
So depreciation is the gradual decrease in the value of a tangible asset due to wear and tear or after a certain useful lifetime. So it is a gradual decrease. It decreases the value of an asset over a period of time. Like machinery, furniture, all this will have a depreciation over a period of time.
You know what is the job role of our PO?
Yes, sir. It may
Tell me.
be involved with yeah, it may be directly involved with the interaction. I think it is related to the retail operations, and it may be direct interaction with the customers or the customer acquisition, or it will be into sales of bank products.
Hmm. What
Yes, sir.
What do you know about Indian accounting standards?
So the accounting standards are the rules or guidelines which we follow while preparing the financial statements, sir. So the while preparing the financial statement, we need to follow certain rules and guidelines which are known as the accounting standards. There are many standards, so we need to follow. Sir, here can I mention about this gap or separately, sir? Gap or IFRS?
No, no. Actually, here you should mention about IND-AS,
Yes, sir.
Indian accounting standards.
Yeah, I prepared for
In
this gap and IFRS, sir. Yeah.
Please tell me about that. What is that gap?
Yes, sir. GAAP and accounting principles, sir. These are the GAAP stands for generally accepted accounting principles, whereas IFRS stands for International Financial Reporting Standards, sir. So these are the major accounting standards will be followed while preparing the financial statements. But the main difference between the GAAP and IFRS is that it do not follow the inventory stock last in first out method will not be followed under the uh, IFRS, whereas it is followed in the GAAP. Whereas GAAP is used mainly by the US companies, international financial IFRS is used by many companies of the other parts of the world.
See, we are talking about India.
Yes,
So
sir. Yes,
you
sir.
must be able to tell me something relating to Indian companies' accounting standards.
Yes, sir. I will prepare about them, sir. Indian accounting standards. Yes, sir.
Yeah. As per popular definitions, Indian accounting standards are nothing but guidelines to be followed in the accounting system. Core
Yes, sir.
objectives of Indian accounting standards, benefits of Indian accounting standards, then a report of management performance, then avoids frauds, provides assistance to auditors. IND AS1. What is IND AS1? I am giving the link
No,
of
sir.
one good article that has come in our 24 Federal Bank group.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Please go through that and because invariably
Yes,
in
sure,
our
sir.
interviews they ask this, and the next question will be, this job involves more of marketing. Are you good in marketing?
Yes, sir.
You are good in English, so you must be
Yes,
able
sir.
to do well. So please tell me, how will you market our housing loan product?
Yes, sir. So first of all, we need to be able to explain the customer what are the benefits of having the housing loan from our bank, sir. So first of all, I will try to tell them all the benefits of having the housing loan from our bank, and we need to compare the current market position and what is the benefit of having the loan from our bank. So we need to explain them in a detailed way about each and every detail about the benefits of the loan, as the customers may not have more idea of different banks, whether they are providing loans or not, whether what are the interest rates of the loans and what are the benefits of having in a particular bank. So we need to able to explain them in a patient way. So first of all, we need to have the thorough knowledge about the product and the interest rates and everything. So then we can explain them betterly to the customers, sir. So I think that having a proficient knowledge about the product and able to explaining them in a nice way will be able to is a good marketing technique. And also we need to know the needs of the customer. According to the financial needs of the customer, we need to market the product. This
Mhm.
will be a marketing technique, sir.
No, no, no. But instead of telling like this, you should talk with a specific reference about the product I have given you. If you talk in air, you are talking in air. We should talk about the important things. We should talk about what is this? You should talk about this particular product. So this is the interest rate is this much. This is the margin you have to give. These are the documents you have to give. We will give you assistance in regard to processing of say the proposals early. We will not charge any processing charges. Like that, you must try to market our product.
Sir, I thought that in what way you can market our product. So I explained my technique, but yeah, sir, I will follow that.
No, no. Here, see
Yeah,
the one question.
yeah, sir.
If the question is what are the ways by which you are going to market our product, then you have to tell me. I will go through social websites. I will go through door to door canvassing. That is separate. Here I am
Okay,
asking
sir.
you, please canvas, please market. You are a
Yes, sir. I understood.
salesman. How are you going to
Yes,
do
sir.
it? That's what it is. Anyhow, best wishes. You are not done bad. You have done good. Next interview date I have given you. You
November
have
3rd, sir.
taken, Acha, November 3rd I have given you. Very good.
Yes,
Then
yes, sir.
best wishes, 1 minute. You can stay on now. Wait.